Vietnamese Spring Roll is a very popular appetizer in Vietnam. It is so healthy and so refreshing. It's a perfect dish for the summer. Hello my foodies, it's me again, CiCi, and today we're going to make Vietnamese Spring Roll. It is something I must order whenever I go to a Vietnamese restaurant. It's just so good, so refreshing, it's perfect for the summer. And today, since my little one, she's at home and she's also going to help me out, just make sure that you watch all the way to the end. Lettuce, mint, cilantro, bean sprouts, and we're gonna top with rice vermicelli. And toward the top right here, we're gonna add 3 slices of shrimp. The pink color side down. So when you fold it, you want to fold the side first. Just go inward like this. And roll it up. And when you roll it, just make it tight, but be careful not to tear it up. And that's it. Easy, right? Let me show you one more time. So at last, I'm really happy that I decided to make this into action, gather all the ingredients and make it into a recipe, and I share with you guys. So I hope that you really enjoy this recipe as much as I do. The good thing about this Vietnamese spring roll is that it's just so light and so refreshing. Doesn't matter how many you eat, there is no guilt at all. It's a perfect recipe for this. There are two different types of Vietnamese spring rolls. There's the one that we made it today, and there's the fried one. Which one do you like it better? Comment below and let me know. For me, it's actually really hard to pick because I love both of them. The one we made it today is so good, so light and so refreshing, right? But then the fried one is good for all occasions. Doesn't matter, it's winter, it's spring, or summer, or fall. Alright, so remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you again in the next episode. Remember to watch all the way to the end. Bye now! Alright, let's get started.
Paper.
Yes.
What this?
Rice paper.
What this?
Here, Dama. This is rice paper.
Rice
So,
paper.
what you're gonna do is you have to dip it in the water first.
样品。
然后帮妈咪放一点菜，这个菜给你放菜，哎，放中间，好棒，放中间，哎，好棒，这个放中间，要放哪？放这好不好？哦，这样放这个上面，好棒，来再给你。这样放这边，放上面，哎，这个也放上面，然后这个给你，哎，好棒，哦，有没有好棒啊？
好棒。
好棒。